Let's look at number 2. If P is the point minus 6, 8, determine sine P of x, cos P of x, and tan P of x. So if you look at this minus 6, 8, it will be in the second quadrant. Minus 6, 8 will be somewhere here. That will be minus 6, and that will be 8. So minus 6, 8 will be there, P will be there. So your radius will go like that. So your angle is going from there to there. So there's minus 6, 8, there's P, point P, and just out of interest, 6 is on the x-axis, 8 is on the y-axis. Alright, now you want sine, cos and tan of P of x. This time it's an obtuse angle. Well, once again, we don't know what is R. We don't know what is R. So here we have R, but we don't know what it is, so we have to calculate it. Alright, so let's calculate it. Again, you will start that since you're finding R, R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. X is negative 6. Now be careful, that negative 6, make sure you write it in a bracket like that. In fact, anytime when you substitute, it's good to put the substituted value inside a bracket. And you put this in the calculator and you will get 100. R squared is equal to 100. R is equal to square root of 100. R is equal to 10. Now we know R is 10. So we go to our diagram and we write down 10. R is 10. Now you want sine, cos and tan. Right. So sine P of x is equal to y over r. Now be careful. Y is 8. Oh, we should have written here. This is x, this is y. So y is 8. Y is 8. R is 10. R is 10. Cos P of x. Cos P of x is equal to x over r. So x is negative 6. Be careful, x is negative 6 and r is 10. So x is negative 6 and r is 10. And finally, tan P of x is equal to y over x, which is equal to y is 8, x is negative 6. Alright, so you can get an angle in the first quadrant, or the second, or the third, or the fourth. It could be in any quadrant. The method is still the same. Alright, so we've done 2 examples for you. What we're going to do now after this, we're going to give you a little exercise where you're going to find sine, cos and tan in the Cartesian plane. Alright, so we'll give you a few seconds to have a look at this, to think about it, and then we'll give you the exercise.